friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can check collection report, collection by staff according to date range. So just have a look. So from the collection report I will go to the collection by staff, and from here I will select the date range option, and for example let's say I want to check my 1st January 2020 to till now. I want to check all the details. So here you can see all my staff and admin done all the collection, and if you click on this staff number, so staff name for example, so here you can see collection by staff according to the number of collection per hour. Yeah, means the timing also we can check. So let's say this is 2 p.m. So this is 3 p.m., 4 p.m. So from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. whatever collection done by staff we can check from here. So all the reports you can check. So account numbers, customer names, file numbers, groups, installment amounts, whatever amounts in progress. So you can check all the details and save our timing in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. And don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.